Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to transform this ugly IKEA coffee table into something that hopefully looks a lot better. So this is what is called a lac coffee table. It's probably about $20 and it worked well. We've had it for a couple of years, but now as you can see it's quite scratched. The plan for this coffee table is that we're going to resurface it with some untreated pine that we're going to stain in the same color as our keys are. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure it, cut it, sand it, glue it, and stain it. So this should take about 48 hours in total, so let's get cracking.
Alright, well, welcome to our bathroom, guys. We've decided to use this area to glue down the planks of wood onto our coffee table, mainly because it's typically a toothbrush-free area and somewhere we can just lock down. It's got great ventilation with the window and the overhead fan. Really important when you are using adhesives that you're doing that in somewhere that you can ventilate pretty easily. The wood glue we're using today is something that says it can set in an hour. But we're going to give it a bit longer than that to make sure it's really stuck down well before applying the stain later tonight.
We've now put some books on the top of the wood. This will weigh it down and help the glue stick. So you got to make sure that your timber decking stain is well mixed. So the stain we've gone with is called Black Japan. So you just want to make sure you get a nice sort of even coat onto the hairs of the brush. And then just long, steady moves. And you want to get as much of an even coat as possible so the colour is uniform throughout. So we're currently just doing our second coat as we weren't happy with the level and depth of colour in the first coat. So we're a lot more happy with this. So now we're just making sure that there's no spots missing. We've just added our second coat and we're happy with the colour, so now it's time to add our varnish. We put this varnish on so when we spill things on the table it doesn't sink into the wood.
We'll pop a link in the description below to all of the products we used in this project. If you liked what you saw in this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in next week's video.